What is the Brady Rule in criminal cases? Have you ever wondered how the legal system ensures fairness in criminal trials? One key aspect is the Brady Rule. This rule is essential for protecting the rights of individuals accused of crimes. It requires prosecutors to share any evidence that could be favorable to the defense. This includes anything that might prove the defendant's innocence or lessen their potential sentence. The Brady Rule comes from a landmark case in 1963 known as Brady v. Maryland. In this case, the United States Supreme Court decided that withholding evidence violates a defendant's right to due process. This means that every accused person has the right to know about evidence that could help their case. In practice, the Brady Rule means that prosecutors have a duty to turn over all exculpatory evidence. This is true whether the defense asks for it or not. If the prosecution fails to share this information, it can lead to serious consequences. This could include overturning a conviction or declaring a mistrial. From the perspective of criminal defense, the Brady Rule is vital. It ensures that defendants have access to all relevant information needed to challenge the prosecution's case. This prevents the government from hiding evidence that could prove innocence or weaken the prosecution's arguments. Defense attorneys relying heavily on this rule to obtain evidence that might not be readily available. This can include police reports, witness statements, and other materials that support the defendant's position. To prove a Brady violation, a defendant must meet specific conditions. First, the evidence must be favorable to the defense, either by proving innocence or questioning the credibility of government witnesses. Second, the prosecution must have suppressed the evidence, whether intentionally or not. Third, the evidence must be material, meaning that its disclosure could have reasonably changed the trial's outcome. Finally, the defendant must not have had access to the evidence and could not have obtained it with reasonable effort. If these criteria are met, courts can take action. They may overturn convictions or provide other remedies to address the issues caused by the prosecution's failure to disclose evidence. The Brady Rule plays a significant role in ensuring that defendants receive a fair trial. It holds prosecutors accountable and helps prevent wrongful convictions. By requiring the disclosure of all material evidence, the Brady Rule protects the rights of individuals in the criminal justice system.